In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Zoom meeting through Google Calendar. This is a great way to streamline your scheduling process and make sure that all the necessary details are at your fingertips. So let's dive right in. First things first, open your Google Calendar using the Chrome browser. If you're not already signed into your Google account, you'll be prompted to do so. Google Calendar is a fantastic tool for organizing your time, and its integration with Zoom makes setting up meetings a breeze. Once you're in, you'll be greeted with a calendar view showing you all your scheduled events and appointments. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout if it's new to you. Now let's move on to creating a new event. Look for the Create button, typically located on the upper left side or denoted by a plus sign. Clicking on this button will bring up a window where you can input all of the details for your upcoming event. This is your command center for scheduling, so get ready to add all the pertinent details here. As you set up your event, you'll want to enable a virtual meeting link to ensure your attendees can join the call with ease. In the pop-up window of the new event form, find where it says Add Conferencing. This is where you'll integrate a Zoom meeting link directly into the event. Simply click in it and you'll be presented with a drop-down menu. Choose Zoom Meeting from the options available. If it's your first time doing this, Google might prompt you to authorize access to your Zoom account, so don't be surprised if a new window pops up asking you to sign in. Enter your Zoom credentials and give the necessary permissions to link the two services. This step is crucial because it allows your Google Calendar to generate a Zoom link automatically for your event. With the conferencing settings sorted, it's time to fill in the event details. Provide a clear and informative title for your meeting, something that all attendees will easily recognize. Next, select the date and time when you'd like this meeting to occur. Be sure to take into account different time zones if your participants are scattered across various locations. If there are additional attendees, this is where you'll input their email addresses. Google Calendar makes it seamless by sending out invites automatically to ensure everyone gets the Zoom link in their inbox. Finally, once you've double-checked that all the information is accurate, save the meeting by hitting the Save button, usually found at the top of the event window. Voila! Your event is now set up with a Zoom link included, ready to go. This integration saves time and reduces the hassle of scheduling by keeping everything in one place. Enjoy seamless scheduling by harnessing the power of Google Calendar and Zoom.